Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth video of this channel. So if you have seen in past four videos, I have spoken briefly about what is astrology, why it is important, what it does, how many types of astrologies are there all over the world, and from now onwards till we complete one entire type of astrology, we're going to keep on talk about the one form of astrology, that is Vedic astrology. And again, within the Vedic astrology we have different types of astrology, and then we will move on to the other types of astrology like European astrology or Chinese astrology, so on. So coming to the Vedic astrology, Vedic astrology is, we call it Jyotisha, that is the light of God, or the light of sun, moon, the constellations. In in Indian language, we also call it nakshatras. So we are going to discuss more about these in coming days. We are also going to talk about the different aspects and the forms of astrologies. Aspects in a sense, like astrology it's been both descriptive as well as predictive. It has aspect of uh, remedies, healing, counseling, as well as to time the decisions correctly. So keeps watching this channel, and gradually we'll see the channel and the video length will increase. So from next time onwards, like, I will be completely focusing on the Vedic astrology. First we'll start with the history of Vedic astrology, from where it has come, some of the famous books that you can go through by yourself. Uh, these books should be available in English as well. You can go through those, and you would also get to know like a lot of ancient Indian philosophies. So stay tuned and keep watching the channel. Thank you.